viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Heavy rain and hailstorm wreaks havoc in parts of Meghalaya, a population of 949 and 483 houses in 7 districts affected. National People's Party accuses Congress of playing the religious card in Garo Hills to woo voters, confident to retain the Tura parliamentary seat. NEET undergraduate 2024 candidates applied with wrong question paper demands a re-examination from National Testing Agency. And Meghalaya government to involve community in a larger scale in anti-drugs operation. And now the news in detail. A population of 949 and 483 houses in 7 districts of Meghalaya have been affected following the heavy rain in the state in the last couple of days. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kirmen Shilla said that some infrastructures like school buildings and church have also been damaged in the recent turbulent weather. It was also informed that on Monday another 10 villages were affected following the rain. As of now, no casualty has been reported from any parts of the state, and the State Disaster Response Force has been alerted.
49 numbers, which are some under assessment, and number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the government has changed the guidelines to provide quick relief to people affected with natural calamities. Conrad Sangma said that earlier the guidelines allowed only distribution of rice and other food items, but now even CGI sheets are being provided to the people. Deputy Commissioners have been authorized to make their own assessment and provide relief to the affected people.
There
were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected, and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started. And different kind of relief materials, including CGI sheets, also are now being given to the households that were damaged.
Incessant rain accompanied with hailstorm has created havoc in parts of West Khasi Hills district. While many houses having tin and CGI sheet roof have holes punched in by the hail, various crops of the farmers have also been severely damaged. Distress writ large on their faces, the farmers are hoping for some help from the government to bail them out of this tragic situation. Villages that were affected by the hailstorms were Nongkrum, Nongkrumrim, Jaido area, Mau Thungper, Sage Lay, etc., and some villages under Ramrai area. An official from BDO office Nongstoin has rushed to the spot for conducting an assessment. He has accused the Congress of playing the religious card in Garo Hills in the recently concluded elections to the Tura Lok Sabha seat. The party, however, is confident that despite the Congress tactic, the NPP will retain the Tura seat, albeit by a slim margin. Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Marquis N. Marak also castigated Congress Working President Deborah Marak for claiming that Purno Ajitok Sangma and his family did nothing for Garo Hills in the last 47 years.
Leader in the Congress party, she has reached the Deputy Chief Minister's post. and forgetting about the contribution that PS Sangma has given to the state of Meghalaya. I'm really sorry for her. Anybody you ask, everybody knows that whatever PS Sangma has contributed is known for everyone here in our state. Even in Garo Hills also, so much has been done from his side. And I would say he was the face for us.
The students appearing for the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test NEET Undergraduate 2024 in Ribhoi District and Jawai Centre were in for shock as they were told by the invigilator that they were supplied with wrong set of question papers after an hour of the 3 hours examination. The students are seeking clarification from the NTA on why this happened and are requesting a re-examination due to the confusion caused. Other irregularities, such as inconsistent handling of admit cards, have also been reported. The candidates are urging authorities to address their grievances promptly to ensure fairness and transparency in the examination process.
लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया, 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर। फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है, तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता, हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है।
The Meghalaya government has decided to involve community in a larger scale in anti-drugs operation. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdaw informed that the government has been able to penetrate in Maulai area, where a town Darbar of Maulai has come forward to donate a piece of land for building a rehabilitation centre as well as counselling centre for people affected with drugs.
We are also coming up with a formula whereby we involve the community on a larger scale in anti-drugs operations. One major area where we have been able to penetrate into is Maulai. The town Darbar has come forward and has offered a plot of land on which we will be building facilities for rehabilitation of drug addicts and also counseling centers.
The Chinchona Sports Club, Pahams Aim, organised an awareness programme on drug abuse at Pahams Aim Community Hall. The theme of the programme is Break Chains, the Battle Against Drugs. The programme started with a 4-kilometre marathon which started from Saiden and ended at Pahams Aim, in which around 400 participants took part. Speaking at the programme, Meban Taryang, Kripa Foundation representative, stressed on the usage and ill effects of drugs which would affect on the mental health and other social issues later in the future. East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Rituraj Ravi today informed that the police is on the job and all the cases of arson has been registered, while informing that so far no arrests have been made in the matter. Asked if the arson cases are linked to the Ichamati case, Ravi said that the police are not ruling out anything. However, it would be premature to say anything as at this moment. He added that the police have intensified security in the city following these incidents of arson in the city.
We are working on it, and it's a matter of ongoing investigation.
Can this be linked with the Ichamati case?
We are not ruling out anything at this juncture. However, it shall be premature to comment on that at this moment. We are working on it from all possible angles. Yes, the DC has already issued an order on that behalf. We have done it from the day these incidents came into light and came into effect, and we are ensuring and we are working overtime to make sure that no further attacks of such nature take place.
The village elders of Shirwang village, along with the residents of the area, including from Kinshi, Pillun, has strongly condemned the lynching of two people at Umthlong village on the 3rd of May 2024. It may be mentioned that two persons were lynched by an irate mob accusing the duo for molestation. The duo were engaged as day labourers in Shirwang village.
Para saudara senang long ini bani sosir halang jong kari hadir bani saudara long saudara.
Deputy Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC, Pinchgain Ens Aim, has informed that the main reason behind the failure of the council to construct the market complex at Maukarwat Market, Southwest Khasi Hills District, was due to the lack of coordination among the Sankupar, the landowner that owns the market. On November 18, 2016, Aim, who was then the CEM of the KHDC, inaugurated the foundation stone for the construction of the market complex in Maukarwat.
Ki maunorim bayadai bat ke market Maukarwat ngarapi sutu bah ki jeng long ya bat kendau bat siap hangne ki per ki don ki tu ki bagi ong ki kendau san kor te gajinya tungku hangne tai gajing bom ya bet ya biang te kadang tau ka hatu por ka penlong bahkan simpor no otos kim bat bagin haban rano sewi la sing rabadong no nama kadon gajing bom ya bet ya biang bah hapo kasan kor.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 12.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 60%, while in the evening it stood at 96%. Rainfall recorded was 0.8 millimeters. The forecast: moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And before we close down, a look at the main points once again. Heavy rain and hailstorm wreaks havoc in parts of Meghalaya. A population of 949 and 483 houses in 7 districts affected. National People's Party accuses Congress of playing the religious card in Garo Hills to woo voters, confident to retain the Tura parliamentary seat. NEET undergraduate 2024 candidates supplied with wrong question paper demands a re-examination from National Testing Agency. And Meghalaya government to involve community in a larger scale in anti-drugs operation. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.